This week on JMRrebuilders,
we reveal a must-have item for our CoPart experience.
Stay tuned. Welcome back to JMRrebuilders. My name is Jason.
And I'm Ryan.
Everybody knows who Ryan is.
Yeah.
We have some exciting news to tell you. No, we did not buy a truck.
And we're not pregnant.
But we did buy something else. What did we buy, Ryan?
We got ourselves a 20x7 car hauler.
What year?
2019.
What?
Low back, or dovetail, actually. Dovetail.
Yeah, well, that's it's the flat trailer, and it's got the little kind of ramp part on the back of it, and it's a dual axle.
Dual axle, capable of 10,000 pounds.
Has trailer brakes.
Trailer brakes.
It's amazing.
Yes.
It's amazing.
Yes.
We're excited.
Yes.
It was a little bit sketchy trying to get it, though, wasn't it, Ryan?
Sketchy is an understatement. It was an extremely interesting experience.
A lot of things happened.
Yes.
After I was long asleep.
Yes.
You were still, like,
driving
to the middle of nowhere to get this trailer.
Yeah, I didn't get back till 3 a.m. But it was worth it.
It was crazy. But you followed all the, like, rules of Craigslist, right?
Yeah.
Not any of them?
None.
Which ones did you break, Ryan?
Well, so they say never meet at the location of the person you're going to meet, so don't meet at their home, meet in a public place. I met at his home.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Never do it at night.
Oh, what time was it?
It was 12 o'clock.
Oh, that's
12 a.m. Yeah.
What else?
Never bring cash.
Did you bring a cashier's check? What did you bring?
Yeah, I brought cash.
Cash,
yeah, cash. I can't remember what else, but there's myriads. If there was a rule about meeting unknown people that off of Craigslist or let go wherever,
you broke every single rule. Every single one of them.
All of them.
But we got this amazing trailer.
But it was worth it.
It was totally worth it.
It was so sketch that right before I went to this guy's house, as this guy is standing in the street with a flashlight trying to wave me down, I almost sent his address to my wife.
Oh, really? So she knew where to pick up your body?
At least come claim me. Yeah. It was that sketch.
Awesome. Well, we have a few things to do to it, right?
We got to pressure wash it, clean it up, fix the wires. There's some electrical issues. We're not getting running lights when the lights are on. Then I've also installed a brake controller in my truck, so we got to go test the brake controller, get a few runs through it with no weight on it so the system can program itself, and then just clean it up, really.
Awesome.
Remove the sides.
Well, that's what the whole episode is about today. We want to show you this awesome trailer, and we're going to work on it, and it's going to be amazing so that when we do get a truck...
Yes.
Stop laughing.
Yes.
We're going to get one.
Yes.
It's going to be awesome.
It's going to be awesome.
Soon, it's going to happen, and it's all going to come together. So,
yes.
Here we go.
Check it out.
All right, Ryan, we're going to get started. What's up first?
First, we're going to take these sides off, especially because we're going to have trucks on here and we don't want them interfering with the doors and getting in and out. So I got my friend here and we're going to get after it.
Nice.
Imagine people are wondering, why are you putting all that effort into it? Why don't you just break it off? Well, at some point we might need the sides back on for something, and it's really good lumber, so I'd rather be gentle.
Whoa. What did you just say?
I'm gonna get back up there.
Hey, Ryan.
Yeah.
Whoa, wait. What happened to gentle? What happened to gentle?
He went away. Yep, got it. Sorry, folks. I can only be gentle so long.
That's exactly what I was gonna say.
What?
You can only do gentle so long.
It's not.
That is more true than anybody could possibly know.
It's not in my nature, folks.
I bet these were just popped out.
It's really just not in my nature.
And it's removed. You know what you need? Oh, this looks like you're gonna hurt yourself.
Miyagi-Do. Probably. Oh boy, that one's done.
Oh.
Bad Ryan.
Hey, can I remind you of something you said earlier?
Yeah, man.
2 things.
Yeah, what was that?
One was, yeah, this is good lumber, and I really feel like we probably should, I don't know, I'm gonna save that in case we're gonna put these all back on. And then you said, yeah, I think I'm just gonna be real gentle. What do you think about that? How'd that work out?
Well, in life, you have grand expectation and ambition, and then reality smacks you in the face.
Ryan, you had that expectation for like 30 seconds.
Listen, that's like 29 seconds longer than normal. Okay? One side's off already. Look at that. Oh, that was weak. Come on, Nancy. No offense to any Nancys out there that may subscribe to our channel. We love you, Nancy. We need you too.
We probably have a good half dozen Nancys who are subscribed.
Probably a better way to do this, let's be honest.
You know what I see coming on?
What's that?
A hernia.
At least hopefully it's only one. Oh! Tell me you got that one.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That's good for the old tender region.
Ryan, you don't seem like the most flexible person.
I'm old and fat. What do you expect?
No, I didn't say that. Had nothing to do with weight.
Here we go.
It simply had to do with flexibility.
Simple observation. Here we go. One down. Insert. JMRrebuilders.
Where are you going with this? Mission accomplished.
Almost failed. Get a bigger hammer.
Get the jammer hammer.
Jammer hammer, baby.
Yeah. Alright, hold on.
Whoa! Yeah, I got my toe, baby. Oh, maybe someday we'll explain to you guys how I got the toe of shame. There you go. All right, so if you notice this guy, he's a little crooked, like most politicians these days. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this wheel off and we're gonna tie a strap to it. We're gonna try to pull it that way, and then once we get it that way, I'm gonna go back under there and I might weld a piece onto it to hold it in place. Is it doing anything?
It is moving.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't know, the strap's got enough pull on it. I think we're done with this. Yeah, we're done. That one's shot.
What's plan B?
We're gonna pull this guy out. We're gonna hit this with a hammer.
That sounds like our style, Ryan.
More my speed. Then we can probably put this on the vise.
Yeah, we can.
Maybe pound this straight.
Yeah, let's try that.
All right. Try it with the little one first. Yeah.
Yep.
All right, guys. So as you know, we have Jammer Hammer. We have Jammer Nation. We're basically a copywriting our own merch all day long, every trademark, all that. Now we have the Jammer pry bar. That'd be my phone.
Oh, come on. Just kidding.
All right, so let's pry this up real quick. So we want to get this right up under there and just pry it up right on that tip. Just enough to get it up. I think we got it probably.
Ooh, that's really close.
Right there.
Yeah. Man, that looks really good, Ryan.
Yeah, I think that's it.
It's up a little bit. Yeah, I think it's pretty flat. I mean,
Well,
the
I'm
fact
gonna take this like this and I'm gonna hit it with the hammer.
Yeah.
Get that spot. There's a spot right there. A little more. It's kind of loud, huh, Jason?
It is loud.
I think I got it.
Ryan, I think that'll work. What do you think?
I think it's about as close as we gonna get her.
Yeah.
Good enough for government work. That's what I've always been told.
Well, let's straighten the other piece out. Put it
right.
back together.
See what we got.
That looks pretty good, dude.
Yeah, it looks really good. It's still pretty bent right through here.
Yeah.
You can see it, so it's still probably when we put it down, I imagine it's still gonna have some sort of a bow to it.
Maybe.
So
Yeah.
let's set it down and see.
Were you? Oh, it's way better. All right, guys. Well, thanks so much for watching this episode of JMRrebuilders. It's funny. There's literally a deer right here, a real one, 15 foot behind me. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate it a ton. Because of you guys, the channel's going great, and we're excited about getting a truck here in the next couple weeks. We've been bidding on some trucks. It hasn't been working out, but it's going to come through hopefully tomorrow. We'll see what happens. So thanks for subscribing. Thanks for catching us on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and all those places, and subscribing everywhere you can. We appreciate it a ton, and keep watching. So we'll see you next time. Bye.